Hi friends, welcome to Kiddo Kids, and I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. You know, there was many parades that was happening. You know, actually we were in school, so maybe we couldn't see, but you know, if you go to the YouTube or anywhere, you can see it right now. You know, the live parade that just happened, and our chief guest, as you know, was America's President Barack Obama, and you know, PM Narendra Modi also was there present at the parade. It was a very nice parade if you saw it. Okay, anyway, starting itself, let's go for a caller. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, what's your name?
Sachin.
Sachin, how are you?
Fine.
Okay, Sachin. So, did you see the parade? National, you know, Republic Day parade.
Program in the school.
Okay, you were in school, so how did you see, right?
Actually, I didn't go to school, but in our school we had program, so there's holiday.
Okay, it was holiday. Okay. So, anyway, you know, what all, you know, how was your program?
Good.
It was good. So, what were you participating in?
I was doing United in Sports, javelin.
Okay, you are doing javelin.
Yeah.
Okay, did you win any prize?
No, it's just participating, not for prize.
Okay, it was just a participating. It was part of that show, right?
Yeah.
Okay, just like that. Okay. Anyway, Sachin, you know, so yesterday was Sunday. So what all did you do in your weekend?
I heard that King Abdul died.
Okay, unfortunately.
Then I was going to in my church we had some program, so we should go to Saudi, so that's why.
Okay. So like that. Okay. Anyway, Sachin, which game do you want to play? Atlas. Okay. I remember now also how you trapped me last time we played Atlas with the letter H.
Yeah.
So this time, you know, I thought forward. I made many words. I by-hearted many places with H and game.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, Sachin, you start. Barcelona. A. Australia.
A. Antarctica. A.
Antarctica. Austria.
Austria. A again. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. S.
S. Singapore.
Singapore. E. Egypt.
Egypt. Tibet.
T. Tanzania.
Tanzania. A. Amsterdam.
Amsterdam. M. N.
M. Time is there. Manipur. R. R. Okay. Rajasthan.
And
New York. K. Kuwait.
Okay. T.
1, 2. Okay. Unfortunately, the call got dropped. Anyway, no problem. You know, his letter was T. You could have told many places with T. There was Tokyo. You know, there were many places. Okay. Anyway, Sachin, next time you call, we can talk. Okay. And anyway, I was talking about Indian Republic Day. So now you must be guessing what is my topic for today. Yes, it is Republic Day for today, and I will be talking about what about the parades about today. Why do we celebrate Republic Day of India? Many things like that. So like today is one of the most important days in the history of India, and this today was the 66th National Republic Day of India. So it was the 66th. So it's been 66 years since our constitution came into force on 26th of January 1950. So 66 years back it came. So this was the 66th this thing. Okay, anyway, let's go for a caller now. Hello. Hello, what's your name?
I'm Hariharan.
Hariharan, how are you?
I'm fine. I wish you a very happy Republic Day.
Same to you.
Thanks.
Okay. So did you see the parade today?
Parade?
Yeah, in India.
Yeah, little bit.
Okay, you saw a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay. So maybe you couldn't see the whole thing.
Yeah, exactly.
Anyway, we will be showing in my show.
Oh, that's great.
So you can see.
Yeah.
Okay.
So wait.
Okay.
Elvin.
Yeah.
That we'll come back. Yesterday was my birthday, but I couldn't call. I forgot.
Okay, yesterday was your birthday. Anyway, belated happy birthday.
Yeah, thank you so much, Elvin.
Okay, so what all did you do special on your birthday?
I didn't. I went to my mom's brother's home.
Okay, you went to your mom's
And,
brother's house.
Yeah, we had a lot of food. Then we had small celebration, not so much.
Okay, small celebration.
Yeah.
So what did you get gift from your friends, family and all?
From family, I got a T-shirt.
Okay, you got a T-shirt. Okay.
From uncle, I got a watch.
Okay, you got a very nice watch from your uncle.
Yeah, and a pen from my aunt.
Okay. So anyway, so you're happy, right?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Anyway, Hariharan, do you want to sing a song for me?
Song. To be honest, I'm not prepared. Next time for sure I'll sing. I give you
Okay.
guarantee.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pakka you'll sing, right?
Sure.
Okay, okay. So I believe you. Anyway, next time you call, you can sing, okay?
Yeah, you have any games?
Yeah, let's go to the game now.
Yeah, what all you have?
I have everything like GK questions, riddle questions, spelling, connection, sentence making, dictionary and tongue twister. But I don't have Atlas, okay?
No problem, because I'm always playing Atlas. Connection. Tell me how to play connection. Tell me.
Connection game is just like, you know Atlas, right?
Sorry?
You know the game Atlas, right?
Yeah.
It is just like it's just like Atlas, but instead of
Okay.
places, we'll be using things or anything you can use except places.
You can use nature, everything.
Yeah, anything you can use, but you should not. You
Okay,
can't
I'm
use
ready.
places in that.
I'm ready.
Okay, and then you start.
I'll start.
Yeah,
Cake.
cake, eagle,
Yeah. E again. Empty box.
empty box, X, right? Xylophone.
Do you take what? You take what? Okay, xylophone. Okay.
Yeah,
Again E.
again E for you. I'll give you E now.
Earphone.
Earphone, E for me. Okay, ear.
Ear.
Yeah,
R.
yeah,
Racket.
racket.
Yeah.
Okay, T. Tall,
You can take time. What is it?
tall.
Tall.
Yeah,
L.
yeah.
So simple. Ladder.
Ladder, R. Road.
Road. D. You will give me time, right?
No, actually, I'll be. If you take so much time, then I'll start countdown.
Okay. D.
Yeah, D.
I'll tell you an employment man. It's like a job. What is it? It's a profession.
Okay, no problem.
Draftsman.
Okay, that's also anyway. We can count that also. I told you except places, anything you can use.
Okay, draftsman.
Okay, that's a very nice game. So, did you like the game?
Yeah, of course I like that.
Okay, I think this is the first time you're playing.
Yeah, connection I'm playing first time.
Okay, this was anyway. You can play next shows also.
Sure. And when is your birthday, Elvin?
My birthday is on October 24th.
October 23rd.
24th.
24th.
Yeah, long way
Happy
to go.
birthday.
Okay, advance happy birthday for 9 months.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, thank you for calling, Hariharan. Bye.
Yeah, bye. Take care.
Okay, that's Hariharan who called us. He wished me happy birthday. Actually, my birthday is on October 24th. That's like 9 months afterwards. Still, he wished me advance happy birthday now itself. Okay, we are talking about the Indian Republic Day. We had the parade and all. So most of us will be in school, right? Must be in school, and maybe we couldn't see. They gave the bravery awards to children who are very brave. Then they gave awards to many people. Then the parade was beautiful. There was parade by men, women, many things like that. So instead of saying everything, why don't we go and watch that video? So let's watch that video on the Republic Day parade.